so we went to the fish market instead. The fish market was kind of alright. We got lobster, the portion large. That's all I'm gonna say. We got a lobster special, $35 for lobster with 2 free side. You get ceviche for free as well. You get clam for free. So you get ceviche and clam for free. Plus, when you order the lobster, you get 2 more free sides. So like 4 sides. And your lobster. Our lobster, it was supposed to be the one without the shrimp on top, right? But I think because we have the cameras and all of that and some miscommunication, but we got our lobster with shrimp on top. So it was more like a curried. What I will say I didn't really like is the fact that they didn't debone the shrimp, not the lobster. So that's slightly irritating. I also got shrimp scampi, and that was good as well. It was in a coconut milk sauce, and that was good. And we had some ripe plantain as well. The food was okay. It wasn't bad. Could do well with some more salt. So the food wanted a bit more salt, but the lobster had enough salt. After that, we went to the mall.